Oh,
Today,
shit, I'm
I
late.
have to do
I'm
a
late.
special,
I'm
special,
late.
special for
I'm
young
late.
Bow.
Oh, Thomas. Oh, sorry, young Bow, that I was late. Oh, yeah, now you can do the passenger train. Yeah, here's, I don't know their names again because they are filler characters, but I call them Weenie and, oh, I don't know their names. So, yeah, Kip and Ass. Yeah, okay, take them. So, goodbye. Yo!
Back on Sodor, I pull any Clarabelle and I fly like this. And I can do this and this and this. But Thomas, you can't do that. Is this the reskin of Annie Clarabelle? I have actually jumped off a bridge. You saw that in the Great Race, because you're lying. Obviously, I did that in the Great Race. Then suddenly someone else came on. Let's race, cunt! Ooh, wait, don't say that. This is a family-friendly channel. I don't care. Let's race! Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. By the way, I'm Hang Mei. I'm also #1. So you are not canon anymore. Wait, what? Oh wow. How do your kind exist, actually? I don't care. Let's fill out this episode. New. I take a shortcut, actually. You know, let's go into shortcuts. I knew this was a bad idea. Oh no, we're spooked. Hey, I'm a relevant character in this episode. I'm gonna save you by the power of, just pushing you out of the way. Here, you got saved. Yay, happy ending. Sorry, Hung Mei, that I was so like an ass to you.
And that was it for
I will
another
help you in
short
any time.
episode.
Wait a second, aren't you a reading?
That's right!